Hello Hornets, this is Mrs. Mion and I am going to show you how to use Sora and MackinVia to read ebooks. Okay, you can do this from your computer or your iPad. We're going to begin by logging into my Katie Cloud. And now these are the programs that I've been using. Sora looks like this. If you don't have it on your dashboard, you go ahead and search it. Sora. There it is. I'm going to click on the app. If it's going to ask you what your school is, okay? When you need to find your school, you find Katie ISD. Click This is my school, and then click again Sign in using Katie ISD. And now you can search for a book that you want to read. Now, these Harry Potter books are available until the end of May. It says here, unlock the magic at home during the month of April. So until the end of April, these Harry Potter books are available. Do you see these two titles side by side? The Sorcerer's Stone, the Sorcerer's Stone. The difference is that this is an ebook. You will have to read the words. And this is an audiobook. You're not going to have the words shown to you. You're just going to listen to the book. Okay? Now you can continue to scroll down and you can find some of the most popular books. Okay? I'm going to click on over 1,000 books to see what else do they have. And for example, on this screen, if I want to read Diary of a Wimpy Kid, it says borrow. That means that it's available right now and I can borrow it and I'll be able to read it. Now, if I want to read the one and only Ivan, it says place hold, which means that I will have to put my name on a waiting list and they will notify me when the book becomes available and they will check it out to my account automatically. So if I want to place a hold, that is fine, but it's going to take some time. It says that it will take about 7 weeks, okay? There are 10 people waiting, and so I need to take a turn. I think since I need to read a book right now because I want to spend some time reading, I'm going to borrow another book that is available. So remember, the books that say borrow are available right now. Okay, this book looks interesting, so I think I might just look at it. I'm going to click on the book and read the blurb or the summary, and if I still like it, I can even read a sample of the book. And I know, as a librarian, I know that this book is a graphic novel. I clicked on the page and it turned the page. So I can see the beginning. Treaties, trenches, mud and blood. To my first World War I teacher, Snoopy. That is so nice. And here is the book. I can read the sample. And now when I'm done with the sample, I go back. Okay, if it's something that I am interested in, I borrow the book. Okay, now I can close it and I know that this book is in my account. Okay, and it tells me here, it will tell me where I belong. Now, if you want to if you have a card for a public library, you can add your public library card here, and then now you can search both Katie's databases, Katie's books, and your public library books too. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And then if I exit Sora, when I come back to it another time, the book is gonna be there on my loans. Okay, see all my loans, and then it tells me that this book is due in 13 days. So I have almost 2 weeks to read it. Okay, thank you. Now, I can also read books using MackinVia. MackinVia is a website, MackinVia.com, and all we have to do is sign in with our username and account. So instead of school or library name, we're gonna do our district, like in Sora. Katie, I type Katie. Oh no, we have to do our school. Hutzel. And there it is, Selma Hutzel Elementary in Katy, Texas. Okay, and it's telling me to log in. What is my MackinVia account? It's my username and password, like you log in into my Katy Cloud. Okay, and now we have all of these ebooks. Look at this number here. We have 5,388 ebooks. That's a lot of ebooks. We also have some audiobooks. So same thing. Now, MackinVia, a lot of the books on MackinVia are multi-user. So you don't have to borrow them. Multiple people can use them at the same time. So for example, if you want to read a biography, you can type it up. Let me see. I want to read about George Washington. Search it. Okay, and these are all the books that are available about George Washington. And now I have 2 to choose from, George Washington and George Washington Carver. That's cool, right? Okay, so I can open a book about George Washington and read that book. Okay, the play button is going to narrate the book. Okay, the arrows help me turn the pages. And I can click inside the book. Now, remember, the you can read the book, click on the notebook, you can highlight where you stop, you can take notes. Keep clicking on the edge of the page. Okay. And if you're working on a project, you can click on citations and choose which citation you can use. Okay, very good. Okay, and now I can close the book if I'm done reading, and I can go find another book. Okay, I can also narrow my searches down by subjects. What kind of book do I want to read about? If it's a series that I want to see. There's books in Spanish. If it's by my reading level, I can go ahead and do that. Or I can even choose by the date of publication or authors. Type the author's name. Okay, and these are ebooks or audiobooks. Remember, these books you will only be able to listen to. And now that I'm done, if I check out a book, I can come back and read it later on. But if I'm done, I go ahead and click exit. And I'm done for now. I can also close my Sora and close my MackinVia. Now, if you or your parents have more questions, remember, you can always go to the Hutzel library page by searching on your Google search box. You can just search Hutzel Elementary. Okay, click on the Hutzel Elementary website. And then here on campus, you click on library. And all the information that I just talked to you about, it's right here on our website. I hope you have a great day, and I will record another video for you for next week. Have a great day.